Welcome back, and now news from sports. The third edition of the Babu Brothers All Goa 2020 Cricket Tournament will be held from 8th January at the SAG ground in Fatorda. After the success of the first two tournaments, this annual tournament will be held on a larger scale this coming year. The winner's prize money has been increased to 75,000 rupees, while the runners-up will get 35,000 rupees.
The heightened anticipation of this tournament comes from the fact that every match has an individual prize for man of the match. The man of the series gets a motorcycle. The big prize money is also an attraction for best teams from the state to take part in the competition. The organizers briefed the media about the 2012 edition of the tournament.
आम्ही बाबू ब्रदर्साची तिसरी T20 सर 8 जानेवारी ते 15 जानेवारी आसतली. तितून आमगेले फर्स्ट प्राइज आसतले 75,000, सेकंड प्राइज 35,000 आनी एवरी मॅचीक मॅन ऑफ द मॅच आसतले. आनी आमी सारक बऱ्यापैकी हे दोन प्राइज मॅन ऑफ द सिरीज हिरोची पॅशन प्रो हिरोची पॅशन प्रो एवरी दिसाक 2 मॅच आसतल्यो. सकाळच्या मैदाक एक आनी सांजच्या मैदाक एक. आनी ह्या टुर्नामेंटाक आमी मॅच हेका एवरी हेका हें दवरला 16 टिमी आसतल्यो. 16 पयली येता तांकां पयली चान्स आसतलो. आनी तेंची मॅचीची हे आसतली 8,000 एंट्री फी.
हो टुर्नामेंट बऱ्या दबाज्या मोठ्या इंटेन्सिटीचेर आमी करपाचो थारायल्लो आसा. आनी सगळ्यांचो पाठिंबो आनी सपोर्ट आमकां मेळत आसा. हो टुर्नामेंट आमी स्पोर्ट्स ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ गोवा यांच्या सहकार्यान ह्या फावटी करपाचो ठरयल्लो आसा.
With bureau inputs, our reporter from Fatorda, Sameer Bhatt.
Salgaonkar Sports Club have topped the first leg of the Goa Football Association's Kingfisher Pro League. After the first leg of 9 rounds, Salgaonkar have a total tally of 18 points. Sporting Club de Goa are second with 17 points. The top 5 teams will now vie for the title. The bottom half will battle for survival.
In a match played at Vasco, Sporting Club de Goa trounced Vasco Sports Club by 3 goals. This took SCG to second position. Vasco finished the first phase engagements with mid-table placing. Here are some highlights. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.